Good morning to all. Today's chapter is matrices, exercise 8.1 from the book ML Overall. Number 1 question tha, classify the following matrices. See, first one, that is 2 rows, 2 columns, it is a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Second one, it is a row matrix having order 1 by 3. एक ही row है, 3 तो column. Next one, it is a column matrix having 3 rows but 1 column. Next one is, just to see, it is a rectangular matrix having order 3 rows, but column is 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. 3 तो रो है, एक रो, फर्स्ट रो, सेकेंड रो, थर्ड रो and 2 column. Next one, it is a rectangular matrix of order 2 rows, but column is 3. And last one is, number 1 last part is null matrix or zero matrix of order 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 by 3. And number 2 given, number 2 just to see the question. नंबर 2 का क्वेश्चन दिया है, देखो. If a matrix has 4 elements, what are the possible order it can have? The possible order will be 2 by 2, 4 by 1 or 1 by 4. Second part given, it is if a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible order it can have? Possible order will be 2 by 4, 4 by 2, 1 by 8 or 8 by 1. Okay, just see. The first one is, the order will be 2 by 2, 2 by 2 or 4 by 1 or 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means first 2 by 2 means 2 rows 2 column. Next one is 4 by 1 is 4 rows, first 1 column or 1 row but number of column is 4. This is the possible order for number 2 first part. The second part, total element given 8. Total elements equal to 8 given. Therefore, possible order, the possible order of will be 1 by 8, 8 by 1 or 2 by 4 or 4 by 2. Total element will be 8 anyway. 1 by 8, 1 row means row matrix. First only 1 row but number of column 8. Second one 8 by 1, 2 rows 4 column, 2 by 4 and 4 by 2. Okay, possible orders are there. Let us go number 3. Question number 3. It is given, construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are a, I, j, k are given by 2i minus j. Second part given a, I, j equal to 1 I into j. Just see how to solve. Number 3, first part you have to construct 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. In this order, write A11, A12, first row, first column, first row, second column. This is second row, first column, second row, second column. Condition given, A, I, j is equal to 2i minus j, 2i minus j. Therefore, A11 means 2 into 1 minus 1, this will be 1. A12 will be 2 into 2, 2 into 1 minus 2, j means 2. 2 minus 2, 0. A 2, 1, that means row is 2 minus j means 1, 4 minus 1, 3. Next is A 2, 2, this will be 2 into 2, I means number of rows 2 minus j means 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, therefore the required matrix will be 1, 0, 3, 2. This is the required matrix. Okay. For second part, condition given Aij, that is I into j. This is the condition given. Okay, the first one condition given Aij is equal to 2i minus j. This is given, and in this here write given. Therefore, you have to write A1 only how much? 1 into 1, it will be 1. A12, that will be 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. A1, 2 2 1, 2 1 means 2 into 1, that is 2, and a 2 2, that will be 2 into 2, 4 coming. Therefore the required matrix will be 1 2 2 4. Initial number 3 completed. Question number 4. Just to see what is given. Question number 4. Find the values of x and y if condition given 2x plus y, 3x minus. That means comparing both sides, 2x plus y equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y equal to 4. You have to solve for x and y by using simultaneous equation of two variables by any method. Okay. Number 4, given as for the comparing both sides, 2x plus y is equal to 5, equation number 1. Second equation will be 3x minus 2y is equal to 4, equation number 2. Do one thing, multiply equation 1 by 2. Then this will be converted 4x plus 2y equal to 10. Yes or no? 4x plus, if you multiply equation 1 into 2, what will you get? You will get 4x plus 2y is equal to 10. Second one, just multiply 1. This will be 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. If you will add, what will you get? This will cancel. 7x is equal to 14. X will be how much? X will be 7. X equal to 7. I put in the value of x in equation 1. We will get the value of y. Okay. How much you got? X is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. Therefore, x is equal to 14 by 7, which is equal to 2 from equation 1. From equation 1, that is condition given 2x plus y equal to 5. Just put the value of x, that is 2 plus y equal to 5. How much coming? Y is equal to 5 minus 4, that is 1. Okay, in this way x value, therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. In this way question number 4 also completed. Next question, question number 5. Let's see what is given. Question number 5. Find the values of x if 3x plus y minus y, this is given. First write what is given, after that you have to comparing both sides, you will solve. Okay. Comparing both sides, we will get minus y is equal to 2. So this implies y will be how much? Y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. The 2y minus x equal to minus 5 and 2y minus x is equal to minus 5. Now put the value of y, that is minus 2, minus x is equal to minus 5. After that this will be minus 4, bring this 5 this side, this will be plus 5, taking minus 8 that side. Okay, therefore x will be how much? X will be minus 4 plus 5 matlab 1, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. In this way question number 5 also completed. Let us go question number 6. Same process. What is given? If x plus 3, 4, y minus 4, just to see, find the values of x and y, comparing both sides, x plus 3 is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 9. 4 equal to 4, so high already. Okay, just see how to solve question number 6. First what is given in this question? Comparing both sides, we will get x plus 3 is equal to 5, x plus 3 is equal to 5. So this implies x will be how much? 5 minus 3, that means 2, x equal to 2. And second one, y minus 4 is equal to how much? 3. So this implies y will be how much? 3 plus 4, that is 7. Very easy question, number 6. Let us go question number 7. Find the value of x and y if condition given. Just to see. First write what is given in this question. After that, we find the value of x, y and z. Let me write the question what is given in this question number 7. Number 7, it is given, if you will compare both sides, what you will get? X plus 2 is equal to minus 5. This implies x will be how much? minus 5, this 2 taking that side, this will be minus 7. X is equal to minus 7. And 5z equal to minus 20. And 5z is equal to minus 20. So this implies z will be how much? Minus 20 by 5, that is minus 4. Z is equal to minus 4. Okay. X completed, y completed. And comparing both sides, y square plus y equal to 6. Y square plus y equal to 6. So this implies y square plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Solve for y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Taking first y common, y plus 3, then last minus 2 common, y plus 3 is equal to 0. In this way, taking y plus 3 outside, this will be y plus 3, y minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, y will be how much? Y will be either minus 3 or y is equal to 2. Solving these two equations, we are getting y two values. One is minus 3, another is y equal to 2, and x is equal to minus 7, y z is equal to minus 4. In this way, question number 7 also completed. Okay. And question number 8. Question number 8, what is given to say? Find the value of x, y, a and b. If condition given, just compare both sides, you can solve. Question number 8 given, just write what is given. Then comparing both sides, x minus 2 equal to how much? 3. X minus 2 equal to 3. So this implies x will be how much? Taking 2 that side, x is equal to 5. Then y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 1. Comparing both sides directly, y is equal to 1. Yes or no? Then a plus 2b equal to 5. A plus 2b is equal to 5. Equation number 1 you write. And 3a minus b. 3a minus b is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Do one thing. Equation 2 into 2. Then this will be converted to b. Therefore, a plus 2b is equal to 5. If you multiply 2, this will be 6a minus 2b is equal to 2. After adding, what will you get? 2b cancel. A plus 6a how much? 7a. 7a equal to 7. Therefore, a will be 7a is equal to 7. A equal to how much? A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Now, put in the value of a. Put in the value of a in equation 1. We will get the value of b. A plus 2b is equal to 5. Yes or no? A plus 2b is equal to 5. A value how much equal to 1? 1 plus 2b is equal to 5. Therefore, 2b is equal to 4. B will be how much? B is equal to, dividing 2 both sides, B is equal to 2. In this way, question number 8 also completed. Last question, that is number 9 question. First write what is given in this question. A plus B 3, 5 plus C, AB equal to, it is given 6D minus 1, 8. It is given. Comparing both sides, 5 plus C is equal to minus 1. 5 plus C is equal to minus 1. Therefore, C will be how much? Minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 6. C is equal to minus 6. Okay. And A plus B, D is equal to how much? D equal to 3. D also you got. D equal to 3. After that, A plus B is equal to 6. A plus B is equal to 6. Equation number 1. And AB is equal to 8. Equation number 2. AB is equal to 8. You have to solve these two equations. Do one thing here. B is equal to how much? 8 by A. Putting this B value in equation 1, we'll get A plus B means what? 8 by A equal to 6. Then this will be A square plus 8 by 2A. Taking A that side, this will be 6A. Now this will be A square minus 6A plus 8 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. You have to solve for A by using prime factorization method. A square minus 4A minus 2a plus 8 equal to 0. By breaking middle term, a common, a minus 4, last 2 common, minus 2 common, a minus 4 equal to 0. After that, a minus 4 whole into a minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 4 and second one a is equal to 2. In this way, question number 9 also completed. This exercise 8.1 fully completed. Thank you for today class. Next day, do next exercise 8.2.